coming to exercise 3I, based on the word problems, real life situation problems based on involving LCM. So please have a look. Question number 1. Question number 1 states a team can pose for a photo in rows of 6 or 7. A team is having a photo session and they can pose for a photo in rows, and the number of rows are given 6 or 7. So what is the least number of members the team can have? So they are asking for the least number. Least itself indicates that you have to find the LCM. So the required number is the LCM of 6 and 7. You know how to find the LCM by any of the method. The division method is indicating that's a time saving method. So after finding the LCM, you will get the 42. Thus, the least number of members the team can have is 42. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 states, if the students of a class can be grouped into 6 or 8 or 10. Into 6, 8 or 10. If the number of the students, if the students of the class can be grouped in 6, 8 or 10, you have to find the minimum. Minimum word synonym of least. That means you have to find the LCM. Then you have to find the minimum number of students which must be in the class. So you have to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 10 by the division method or any of the method you prefer. So after finding the LCM, the LCM has come 120. So the answer statement will be, thus the minimum number of students which must be in the class is 120. That is whatever the LCM came. Coming to the next question number 3. 4 runners started running simultaneously from a point on a circular track. There is a circular track and they all started simultaneously from a point. They took 200 second, 300 second, 360 second and 450 second to complete one round. As indicated, 4 runners were there. So they have taken 200, 300, 360 and 450 seconds just to complete one round. After how much time do they meet at the starting point for the first time? They are asking for the first time when they are going to meet. So that will be equal to the required time will be equal to the LCM of all the given time. So you have to find the LCM 200, 300, 360, 450. After what LCM? Hence the LCM has come 1800. So thus they meet after 1800 seconds at the starting point for the first time. That's all.